So, Andy, from your perspective, from more of like the marketing side of the website, are there metrics that you should be reviewing like daily, weekly? What do you really check in on when you're looking into the checklist?
You just want to check in on your traffic and not just look at it and go, oh yeah, that looks okay. But compare that week over week, month over month, year over year. Is traffic trending up, down? If it is down, or if it's up for that matter, what's causing that? Do you know? Is it seasonality? I mean, many industries are like that, and you can see a consistent pattern. If you go back and you check over the last few years, you see that, oh, I'm always up in May and June, or I'm always down in August, or whatever. So if you're seeing, what you're looking for is anything that stands out of your traffic, that seems out of the ordinary, and then you want to drill down to some extent. And then, of course, while we're talking to the site, it's not just traffic, but also it's conversions. You know, what are the macro micro conversions you've set up? And again, how are those trending over the past week, over the past month? Anything out of the ordinary? Any good news? You know, I mean, and bad news in its own way is instructive as well. And again, same basic issue, try to understand what's driving those conversions, which segments seem to be converting at a higher rate. Is it local or regional versus, say, national? All of that can give you insights as to how you should potentially evolve or modify your site to cater to the groups that are getting the most value out of it.
With the right tooling and the right reporting, you can really surface the important things. That's one of the reasons why we structure our KPI documents and our reporting dashboards for ourselves as well as our clients like we do, just so that you can kind of cut through the noise and take a look at these, especially like Andy had just mentioned, the macro conversions. Keep your eye on the prize. And then we have several diagnostic metrics that are tied to each of those, where if something's anomalous or there's a shift, we can just kind of zoom right into those diagnostic metrics really easily, cut through all the extra clutter, and surface those insights a lot more quickly than we otherwise would be able to, just looking at the flood of data that any one of these tools is going to be giving you just raw out of the box.